Hi guys, welcome back. It's almost 8 days since we installed our system, our new system, and I think I should give you an update on what is going on with the system right now. So let's go and check the system. Hi there, Group A. How are you? Group B, how are you? Okay, so looking in the system, in the new system, our water is still fresh and clean. Still clear. And thanks to the help of the chemical filter, I think, the activated carbon, it's a very big help. Made a big help with our water cycle. And I think the filtration system did a great job thanks to that. And as you have noticed, I put in some what I call this a playground for the fish. So this will serve as their hideout. Look at there, the fish is making its own way inside the used pipes. Then after 8 days, the water is still clear, but I shut off first the pump so that we can clean our mechanical filters, the radial flow settler or the solids filter, and our sponge filter. And because of that, our sump tank, we will refill water or new water here in our sump tank, so that the old water in our fish tank will be replaced with the new ones, and some of the ammonia will be taken off in our system. But looking on the system after 8 days, I am very delighted that the system works properly. So excuse me guys, I need to clean first the filters, and I'll just go back later. So I'm done with the cleaning of the two mechanical filters. Now is the time to switch our submersible pump on so that it can run the system. So at this moment in time, our two mechanical filter has still no water in it. So basically guys, what will happen is that the water here in the sump tank will continually be drained and be filled inside our fish tank. And so what will happen is that there will be lack of water in here, and all we need to do is to refill it with a additional water, which in fact, during the installation of the new system, I also included a water reservoir. So this tank was already running for I think 6 days already, and I placed an air pump so that it will help agitate the water for the dechlorination process, and this water will be used to refill those water in the sump tank. Okay, so I already made a connection here so that it will be easy for me to refill into the sump tank. Oh, look at the sump tank, it's out of water already. So all we need to do is just to put this one inside and switch it on. Oops. Oh, you can already hear the submersible pump crying for water. So as you can see, our biological filter still has no water in it pouring into the sump tank. So it will take a while to fill in that two mechanical filter and dump it here in the sump tank. So we need to refill it with the new water so that this new water will be pushed into the fish tank. So gradually it will be filled. Oh, there you go. That water is from the biological filter, or it's meaning to say our two filters is already filled with water and it is returning in the sump tank, but we still need to refill the lost water here in our sump tank. So we need to continue refilling this one until such the level of water reach up to the middle part of the sump. So the sump tank is almost full, and I think we need to shut down our water, reserve water. Okay, and pull this out. Okay, we're gonna put it there and then seal off our sump tank. So there you can see the level of water, although it's dirty outside, but the water's inside is clean. Okay, and looking at the system, yes, the water is cycling very well, and the bubbles are almost gone with group B and group A. So we'll just give them a bit of a time to settle and to be clear. That's it, guys. For our update, we did a water change and clean our two mechanical filter. I did not clean the biological filter because for me, we need to the beneficial bacteria remain inside, and I think I don't need to clean this one for now. It's recommended that once in a while you clean your biological filter, but for me it's not yet dirty, so I'll just leave it there. Okay, so it's getting hot in here, and I'm already sweating. And that's it for now. I made an update with the new system as promised, and later on, if whatever comes or whatever will happen, I'll just give you an update on our new fish tank system using our red tilapia. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my videos, and click that notification bell for new videos and updates in my channel. Thank you very much, and see you soon.